Tag team environment.
Outrage! 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 Outrage!
These people are haters. They don't appreciate talent. They appreciate Spanish.
Hands on the ground. Acting like a fool with the paint on the ground. I love that song. Mada throws the knee. Who would do that? You have to be an idiot.
Feedback, Slideman!
I was thinking retarded. Beautiful takedown. And here comes. Yeah! It's just human nature. Nice takedown by Outrage. I cannot believe nobody's ended up in the Barbedwire yet. Yep. Be patient, lady. Wait for that. Into the barbed wire, two-man suplex, saves Mada. That on the main background is very helpful, but I don't think they use a lot of fluorescent lights and barbed wire in the octagon. Yeah! They should, but they HIW Az. Throwing those elbows. There's some white tie for you, some elbows, boots to the midsection, and Zeek the Butcher is in trouble. Oh man! Oh! The Mexican surfboard! The disadvantage to this is he can't tap out. Oh my God! What is it? Now Mada taking the offense to Zeek the Butcher. Okay. Right to the face. Is high impact wrestling. High impact wrestling is blood and barbed wire.
Let's
go! That might be it.
1, 2, 2 count.
Oh, yeah.
Want to see some more blood?
With a mohawk. All right. Chaos and Mada teaming up. That exploding barbed wire board is in the ring. Outrage is in trouble. Deathmatch.
Come on!